Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a raffle on Zeffy. So please watch till then to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Zeffy, you can use our link in the description down below and you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So right here, you just need to go to the Zeffy website and log in your account. After logging in, you will be redirected to the dashboard right here, and under campaigns you just need to create a new campaign right here, so click it. So the Zeffy will ask you what campaign do you want to create, but since we're creating a raffle, we just need to choose raffle right here. So after choosing it, as you can see, the Zeffy will generate a template for you to customize. So this is the default template and you just need to customize it along the way. So in order to do that, just click create raffle campaign. So after doing that, the page will now load and you'll be directed to the campaign creation. So you need to put the title of your raffle first. So it depends on you what type of raffle you are creating, and you just need to put the title fitting for that raffle. So let's say I'm going to leave it as it is. So the Zeffy will actually will generate a template for you to you can just modify it if you want. So after putting a title, after putting the title, just click next, and you just need to set a dates for your raffles. You can choose one, multiple, or no dates for your raffle. It depends on you. So in my case, let's say we add a date right here. So we need to choose your time zone right here and also the raffle date, the starting date and the ending date of your raffle. And if you're having a event recurrence, so yeah, so if you want to your raffle to occur once, or if you want your raffle to occur every day of the week, or every day, weekly or monthly, it's up to you. Also, you can add sales close date if you want, and it depends on it depends on your raffle itself if you have all of this thing right here. So after doing that, just click next again, and you need to tell the Zeffy more about your raffle. So you need to inspire your supporters to participate by sharing extra details in the description. So make sure that you add a description perfect for your raffle. So you need for if you want, you include all of the information about your raffle right here. And yeah, as you can see, this Zeffy will generate a template for you to start. So you can just modify this. You can start with this template and just modify it along the way. But yeah, you need to put the perfect description for your raffle for that, for your supporters to participate. And that's it. So after creating a description, just click next. You need to set the interface of your campaign itself, your page itself. So you need to select a color for your page. So let's say this one. You need to select a mode, whether you choose light mode or dark mode. It depends on you. I'm going to choose dark mode, and you can also select a style. You can add some shapes if you want, or you can leave it as no shapes. So yeah, after that, just click next and you're done editing your interface. So now you need to add a banner. So this is one of the most important part, since they will be seeing this when your supporters will see this when they go to your raffle page right here. So it depends on you if you want to use an image or a video. If you generate a video for a raffle, you can upload it right here, and they will be seeing it when they visit your raffle page. So for me, I'm going to choose an image for now. So let's say we choose this one. So after adding your banner, you need to upload your logo. So if your raffle page have a logo, if you generate one for your raffle, yeah, it's fine. You can just upload your logo right here. So yeah, that's it. So if you want, you can upload, if you generate a logo for your raffle, if you have a logo, you can upload it right here. But if you do not have a logo, you can just delete this one and skip it. So now after that, you need to add a ticket. So you need to add all the ticket rates for your raffle here. So you need to, indicate the total number of tickets you providing. So let's say we provide 10,000 tickets available, and for the ticket rate, so you just need to input the title. So for example, one chance of winning, you can put a title for your ticket, the description of your ticket right here, and also the price itself per ticket. So let's say $15 for per ticket. So let's say, for example, you have a another raffle inside your raffle page. You can just, add another ticket rate for that. So you can just indicate the title of your ticket, your the description again. You can add the ticket details right here, and also the price itself of the ticket. So let's say we add some random title for that, for the sake of the tutorial, and click next again. So after clicking next, you need to add custom questions. So as you can see, Zeffy will gather these default questions right here from your ticket buyers. So they will ask the donor for the following information for your records, and that will be the full name of the buyers, the email of the buyer, and their country and state, if available. So if you want, you can add a custom questions that you want to ask your buyers. So for example, how did you hear about the event? So you can ask some questions like that. And if you want it to be a requirement, you can just click this one right here. So they will be forced to answer this one. So that's it. So now, after adding some questions, click next again, and you just need to collect additional donations if you have. So if you allow your buyers to donate a little extra to your costs or all-in-one campaign, you can just enable this one. So they will see this one, add a donation for blah blah blah. So after that, just click next again. So if you also offer discount codes for your buyers on your ticket, you can add them too. So click add a discount code. So yeah, they will you will be the Zeppi will generate a code for that, and the value for that too. And for the max of uses, you can just input it as once, or if you leave it as it is, that will be unlimited. So make sure that you add a number of uses, maximum uses of your code right here. So apply a discount. So for example, your discount is per ticket or only once per order. So that's it. So if you offer another discount codes, you can do so by clicking add another discount code right here. So after done adding discount codes, just click next, and you just need to customize your e-tickets. So you need to issue e-tickets right here. So this is the e-tickets templates that the Zeffy generates, and you can just replace the ticket banner based on your banner that you added previously. So that's it. So click next again, and we're almost done. Just need to customize a thank you email for the ticket buyers following their purchase. So after purchasing it, they will be receiving this email right here. And if you want, you can customize it, but you can leave it as it is. So click next again, and we're almost done. You just need to change some advanced settings if you want. If you enable sales target, if you want to offer payment by check for amounts over $1,000, you can enable this too. And you need to input your email address right here. So the email address will be notified when a payment is made. So when a buyer buys a ticket, you will be notified with in your email right here. So yeah, that's it. So click next and you're done. So congratulations, the raffle is ready, and you can just share your raffle campaign to your social media. You can just copy your link right here, and if you want, you can view your campaign right here. Click this, and you will be redirected to the Zeppi campaign page. And yeah, that's it. That's how you create a raffle on Zeffy, and also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.